this job.
Well, this week marks National Cleaning Week, so what better time to pick a tidy job for Take This Job and Love It than now? So bust out your rubber gloves and some Windex, because I'm going to show you one local company that'll show you how to clean, stage, and get a house ready for the market.
You know what, let's just plop it right here before we lose the bottom.
Jessica Dolan calls herself the bringer of order.
Great.
And for good reason, too.
I love to see stuff leave.
She's the owner of Room to Breathe, a home organization and staging business based in State College.
I love my job. I love to help people. I love to watch the transition.
But that transition takes a whole lot of work. This job in the State College Borough is actually a twofer, incorporating both the organizational and staging side of her business.
We really had carte blanche to pick and choose what we wanted to use for staging, donate what we didn't need, try to sell what we could, and the house is going to look fantastic.
But before it can look fantastic, it's gotta look clean.
Spring cleaning, spring cleaning.
We deodorize and sanitize and harmonize too.
Spring cleaning, spring cleaning.
And when the bringer of order says clean, she means it.
I mean tops of doorways, corners, inside the fireplace, the oven, the refrigerator, everything, so that the house appears to have been very well maintained and taken care of.
A lot of stuff when you're spring cleaning.
I always joke that if my fingernails aren't black at the end of the day, it wasn't a good day. So I know that grosses you out, but I love it. The dirtier the better for me.
Case in point, Jessica removed 50 bags full of trash from the attic and basement alone.
Decluttering your life can reap so many rewards.
Once the clutter's gone, it's time to stage.
It's great to give the impression of a house that's been very well maintained, even if that happened a week before, you know, it went on the market.
The key to staging is knowing where to draw the buyer's eyes.
So if you have a house with dated countertops or other unsightly things, you might stage in other areas to get the eye to go there versus the dated countertops.
In this case,
Do you feel comfortable crawling up there?
Sure, I can sure try.
Jessica is choosing to stage the cupboards with decorative glassware.
Maybe even turn it a little bit. We'll play with it. Perfect. Good job, Sarah. So as buyers come in, hopefully they'll come in this way, look to this, and then hopefully look kind of out to the yard and maybe look away from some of the other areas that could use some attention that just aren't possible to do right now.
But there are plenty of things that are possible to do, including taking down wallpaper, packing up personal items, giving everything a fresh coat of paint, making minor repairs, re-landscaping, and redecorating.
So if you're up for moving some furniture, we're gonna move a few things. Most people have everything you could possibly use already in their homes. It just needs to be repurposed. And people have treasures. I love going into attics, closets, cabinets, because there's stuff there they just forget they have.
And a few homey touches can make all the difference.
The act of staging is all about making a house feel as neutral as possible so that you appeal to a much broader base of buyers, which in turn then gets you a faster offer. And the faster you get an offer, the more likely it is that you're going to get closer to asking price, if not asking. Or more. That's our goal, is always to get more than asking.
Which is good for the seller,
Final step.
good for Jessica,
Welcome home, new family.
and good for the new homeowners. Her team about 2 to 3 weeks to do what it would take a homeowner several months to accomplish. And she's also very green. She recycles everything that she can, and she donates a lot to charity as well. And in case you are curious, it's a good rule of thumb to plan on giving a home stager between 1 to 3% of your asking price. In this case, the listing price for this home that we showed you is $335,000, and Jessica's cut for her services will be $8,000. Jessica, I will wait for my cut of your $8,000. What about that? All right.